Hey guys, Technomentary with the exciting video for you guys. I got these really cheap Samsung Galaxy S7 from eBay at a really discounted price. Check out the link down below in the description I included where you can find these really cheap phones on eBay, especially Samsung phones. So whenever you're buying from eBay, there's a couple of tips and tricks I'll share with you guys in this video. But if you guys are new to our channel, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button as we do a lot of giveaways and reviews and unboxing for you guys. So you guys will be notified whenever we do those. So hit that subscribe button. Every subscriber matters as we are a growing channel, and soon we'll have a big channel, hopefully, to be able to do more video for you guys. To enter this giveaway where we're giving away one of the S7s, simply like this video, subscribe, and then share this video in one of your social media site, and then comment whenever you're done or where you shared it on. So tips I wanted to share with you guys whenever you're buying from eBay is simply there's 5 things you want to watch for. First one, the seller. Make sure the seller has lots of feedback with 95% positive feedback rating. Next thing you want to make sure is that they have a 30 to 60 day return policy. So this one had a 30-day return policy. If there's any issues, I can return this phone within 30 days. Next thing you want to look at condition. I will buy only used, seller refurbished, manufacturer refurbished, pre-owned, and then new and open box items. I don't buy for parts are not working, as Amazon, eBay does allow you to sell those, so I don't like to buy from. And the next thing I look for is that there's a lot of unit of that specific listing that has been sold. Finally, I'll thoroughly read the description to make sure I know what condition the phone I'm getting in. There's different conditions. Some of them will say it's a A, which is excellent, B or C. B is usually good. Usually I avoid C and fair condition one. I'll buy good condition, excellent condition, great condition, but nothing that says fair or so, because I want a good phone. So those are the things you want to watch out for. And also the final thing you want to look for is that is the phone unlocked or carrier specific. So sometimes people will buy unlocked phones, which is a little bit more expensive because they will work on most carriers and international, whereas carrier specific will only work for that carrier that you're buying from. So let's go ahead and get started on this unboxing. So I'm going to unbox this for you guys. So this one came in 2 days priority shipping, which is really fast because I ordered it and then I got it today. So I ordered it 2 days ago and today it came in the mail, and I wanted to unbox it for you guys. So here I ordered actually 3 S7s, so I can see what kind of phones you guys can. I believe these were under they are under $85, which is really cheap even in 2020 right now, because these are great phones. Honestly, if you guys use Android, they're still great phones even today. So as you can see, they double packaged it for us in these priority shipping padded envelope. So we're gonna go ahead and open these up. I got a little silver here. Oh, so this person really likes to pack it well. So they went and packaged it in 3 different padded priority envelopes, as you can see. So the second layer is just like opening a box after box. Finally, we're actually getting to the box here. Okay, so let's keep on going. It's a really hard work, actually. So here we go. So we have the phones here. So they came in these 2 boxes. So let's go ahead and take a look at this one here. Let's see what we have. So in this generic white box are the chargers. So I bought 3 of them. So all the chargers are here. So let's open one of them up. So these are LG charger, although this is a Samsung phone. So so they did give us a different off-brand, but it doesn't matter because they just need a micro USB charger to charge these phones. Let's look at what we have actually in this box. So I believe this box is where all the phones are at. So here, as you can see, I have first one, second one here, and then the third one. So I ordered 3 of them because they were going for a really good deal, and I like to do a lot of review videos and giveaways, so that's why I bought 3 of them, so you can do that. So here I have all 3 of them right here Let's go ahead and examine them each one closely. So this one, as you can see, first we'll notice that it's in clean condition on the front screen, no scratch or anything like that. The home button here is good as well. The side, I don't know if you can see, but looks good. Top, let's see, looks good as well. On this side, looks good. And then the back, of course, looks good as well. So these need to be wiped down a little bit because there are um, a little dirty, but that's not an issue. So let's go ahead and power that one. So I powered this one on and leaving this one on this side. Let's move on to the second one. Screen, no scratches or anything like that. I can barely see anything. The home button here is good as well. Let's look at this side. This side looks good. Top part looks good. This side, there's a little nick over here, barely noticeable. I don't know if you can see. And then the bottom part looks good as well. Back, again, looks phenomenal as well. So we're gonna go ahead and power this one on. So that one's powering on. This one already powered on for us. Finally, the last one or the third one. Screen, no scratches or anything like that. This side looks good. Top side looks good. This side looks good. Bottom side looks good. And then finally, back side looks good as well. Again, looks like in great condition. So this one turned on. So as you can see, this one, it turned on perfectly fine. It's at 82% battery charge. And we're already over here. And they already went ahead and wipe the phone from the previous data or anything, so I am ready to go ahead and use that. Let's take a look at the camera. So these phones are fully functional, meaning they already do all the testing for us, which is great because whenever you're buying used phones, you're usually concerned that there might be an issue with the phone. But as you can see here, the camera's fine. We can go ahead and test everything, but they already guarantee it's fully functional, unlike when you're buying from secondhand from someone on Craigslist or any marketplace, any site like that. These, they guarantee us, even though they're used, that they're fully functional. So first one looks good so far. So let's move on to, let's also go into here to settings. I want to show you guys also this device. So into device maintenance, as you can see, this will give us a kind of overview of the device itself. So right now it's saying the device maintenance is excellent. That's a 98%, which is excellent. We can go ahead and optimize it. Usually I like to do this to make sure the phone is at 100%. Right now you saw it's 100%. It's fully optimized and they cleaned up, and now our phone is good to go. So that one's good to go. All I have to do is usually, if I'm looking to activate service, pop this up, put my SIM card in or my SD card as well. If I want more storage, I'll be set to go. So that one's good, checked out well. This one, let's look at the next one here. 88% charge on this one. Looks good as well. Let's look at the buttons. Ringer works fine. Power button looks fine. Screen, I'm swiping up and right. There's no issue as well. Again, same thing. It's guaranteed fully functional phone, so I don't have to worry about anything. Mic and everything will definitely work fine. Here, as you can see, rear camera looks good. Let's take a look at the front camera here. Front camera, as you can see, works as well. No issue there. So the camera's working as well. Let's go into the next thing with the device maintenance. Let's see how this one looks. 99% right now. We can even optimize it more till it hits 100%. Which it does this thing where it's built in to optimize the phone. Here now we got 100%. Again, excellent phone here. Let's move on to the last one. Same thing. We're gonna go ahead, take a look at this one. Look at the ringer. Ringer looks fine. Power button works phenomenal as well. And then the camera. Let's go ahead and check the camera. Back camera's working fine without any issues. Let's take a look at the front camera. Front camera looks good as well. So fully functional phone, like I mentioned, great phone. When I bought this one, I think I made sure that they were considered good or B condition. I believe so, which is fine. The seller, I don't know exactly the name of it, but there's a bunch of sellers, and the link is in the description if you guys are looking for those phones. I included there for you guys so you guys can go and actually buy it. So check out the link in the description. Hopefully this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and also enter the giveaway. Thanks for watching, guys.